Today, we delve into the profound wisdom contained in one of the well-loved Psalms, which emphasizes the importance of divine providence and blessings over human efforts. Unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the guards stand watch in vain. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat, for he grants sleep to those he loves. Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from him. Like arrows in the hands of a warrior, are children born in one's youth. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. They will not be put to shame when they contend with their opponents in court. Before we begin our reflection and meditation on today's word from God, if you want this message to become alive in your life, please like and follow the channel to ensure you don't miss out on any daily psalm. May this message touch your heart. Happy meditation. This psalm is a beautiful reminder that without the guidance and blessing of the Lord, our human efforts may prove futile. It begins by stating that unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. This speaks to the divine foundation that must underpin all our endeavors. Our plans and efforts, no matter how meticulously crafted or diligently executed, will not reach their full potential or purpose without God's blessing. His providence is the cornerstone of stability and success in any undertaking. Whether it's starting a business, building a family, or even daily routines, including God adds meaning and assurance that our efforts are aligned with His will. The second part of the verse transitions from building a house to watching over a city, symbolizing protection and security. Here we learn that human vigilance and security measures are insufficient without the Lord's oversight. It suggests that God's watchful eye is necessary to maintain peace and security over our lives and communities. It's a profound teaching on placing our trust in God rather than relying solely on human means. As a result, our anxiety can diminish, knowing that ultimate safety lies within God's hands. The psalm also speaks of the futility in toiling endlessly for basic needs, without recognizing the source of all provision, God. It portrays the image of rising early and staying up late, a cycle of toil, which is ultimately meaningless if not accompanied by God's blessing. The Lord provides rest and sustenance to those He loves. This is a powerful message for those who find themselves caught in the busyness of life, reminding them of the importance of rest and reliance on God. We are encouraged to trust in His provision, understanding that our hard work must also be balanced with faith. Flowing from the theme of divine blessing and provision, the psalm transitions into the subject of family, specifically children. Children are described as a heritage and reward from the Lord. This portrayal not only emphasizes the joy and blessing that children bring into one's life, but also the responsibility entrusted by God. It is an acknowledgement of the gift of life that continues our legacy and faith. The metaphor of children as arrows in the hands of a warrior illustrates the potential and strength that progeny can provide. A full quiver signifies both blessing and preparedness. Finally, the psalm concludes with a reference to a man whose quiver is full, blessed and confident, even in the face of adversaries. This assurance is born out of the knowledge that one's lineage and legacy, symbolized by children, provide support and strength. Family then becomes a source of honor and defense, a reflection of the solid foundations built upon God's provision and blessing. This psalm encompasses essential aspects of life: work, security, rest, and family, and ties them back to the central theme of reliance on God. It beckons us to lay our worries and plans into the capable hands of the Creator, who alone knows the full tapestry of our lives. As you meditate on this psalm, remember that divine guidance is priceless and represents the true cornerstone of any endeavor we take on this journey of life. Equipped with this understanding and trust, your path will be laden with true wisdom and fulfillment. May this reflection enhance your understanding and draw you closer to God's infinite wisdom.